Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we embark on an exhilarating journey through the realm of drones in 2024. In this captivating video, we'll unveil the most groundbreaking advancements and revolutionary features that have propelled these unmanned aerial vehicles to unprecedented heights. From sleek and futuristic designs to mind-blowing technological capabilities, prepare to witness a convergence of engineering prowess and artistic vision like never before. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a curious newcomer, but before we step in, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. And like always, links of all product are at the description down below. Prepare yourself and let's get started. The first product of the list is DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has seen a complete redesign since the Mini 2. The arms extend further away from the body, which means the larger props are further out as well. Also, the arms no longer need to be folded and unfolded in any particular order. It's a small detail, but also a pretty nice quality of life improvement. The new facelift features a cutout just above the gimbal, which allows for new, low-angle shots. The whole body of the Mini 3 Pro has a more aggressive posture that's also more aerodynamic, providing better battery life. The size does come with a slight drawback when it comes to dealing with the wind. However, the Mini 3 Pro has come a long way since the original Mini when it comes to fighting high wind speeds. That said, this drone doesn't have the power of the bigger ones, and therefore could struggle in stronger winds. One thing to consider when using the drone is that the processor requires the props to move air around the drone in order to cool it down. Leaving a fan out helps reduce the weight. The footage from the Mini 3 Pro's camera is very clear and sharp. In fact, it can almost be overly sharp for our taste. It's got decent dynamic range, good color rendition, and can give you a nice image straight out of the camera without any fuss. Another neat feature we haven't seen on other drones up to the Mini 3 Pro is a gimbal that can tilt 60 degrees upward. The redesigned front end with a cutout above the gimbal makes this possible. Even at this insane tilt angle, the props still aren't in the shot when flying at high speed. The standard battery lasts for 34 minutes, as always. But the Mini 3 Pro also includes a Plus battery option. This is a pretty neat option to have for any drone. The Plus battery gives you around 47 minutes of flight time. Now that's insane. The next product of the list is DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the most versatile flying camera for videography and photography. For photogrammetry, the new drone represents an opportunity to test something new for many users: aerial photogrammetry with a telephoto lens. The 3x lens available on the drone provides good image quality and a practically usable focal length. In this article, we will evaluate what benefits the 3x lens brings to photogrammetry workflows and the overall viability of using DJI Mavic 3 Pro for photogrammetry. The DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise is a new generation of portable drones for land surveying. Optimized for drone mapping, this lightweight all-in-one solution features a 4.3-inch 20-megapixel sensor with mechanical shutter. The DJI M3E is a highly efficient surveying solution. A large pixel size, 0.7 shooting shutter interval, and a 45-minute flight time mean that it can cover up to 16 kilometers in a single day. Combine with the RTK module to achieve GCP-free, centimeter-accurate mapping data. A versatile solution, the Mavic 3 Enterprise can achieve up to 56x hybrid zoom, making it ideal for inspection missions. Benefit from enhanced flight safety features, robust data security protocols, and access to a full software suite, including DJI Flight Hub 2. The camera on the Mavic 3 Enterprise enables it to be deployed as a specialized tool for aerial surveying and precision inspection missions. Its integrated payload features wide and telephoto cameras. The Mavic 3E's large pixel size and intelligent low-light mode combine to offer significantly improved performance in dim conditions. The next product of the list is DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE Standard emerges as a standout in the realm of compact drones, offering an amalgamation of user-friendly features with professional-grade aerial photography capabilities. Designed with both seasoned enthusiasts and professional photographers in mind, this drone strikes a delicate balance between portability and performance. Its lightweight design does not compromise on robustness. It is equipped to handle varying conditions with remarkable wind resistance. Whether you're capturing serene landscapes or dynamic urban scenes, the DJI Mini 2 SE Standard is engineered to elevate your aerial photography and videography experiences. Encased in a sleek gray exterior, the DJI Mini 2 SE Standard epitomizes the fusion of aesthetic appeal with functional design. Its compact form factor and lightweight build are not just about looks. They facilitate unparalleled portability, allowing creatives to carry this drone to the most remote locations without burden. The thoughtful design extends to its quick deployment capabilities, ensuring that you're always ready to capture fleeting moments from the skies with minimal setup time. DJI Mini 2 SE flies with reliable stability even in winds up to 38 kph, letting you fly and capture content more reliably in more places. With simplified operations, the drone is easy to learn and master quickly, making it ideal for beginners. It has a return-to-home function for added safety, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. The next product of the list is DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a brand-new design that takes cues from the rest of the DJI consumer drone lineup. The biggest change is the dual camera system, which gives you different focal length options in the same camera body. This gave us flexibility in the kinds of shots we could capture with the Air 3. Similar to the Mavic 3 Pro, the DJI Air 3 features fisheye wide-angle obstacle avoidance sensors that sense and avoid obstacles in all directions around the drone. The drone features a compact, foldable design that makes it very convenient to pack and carry. The drone comes with two controller options, the DJI RC2 with a built-in screen, or the DJI RC-N2 to use your phone or tablet with it. Our unit came with the DJI RC2. The controller now features external folding antennae for better signal performance. The screen is the same 700 nit 1080p 60 Hz that we have seen before on the DJI RC. The performance of the inbuilt Android-based system is super smooth, and the controller can now output video over the USB-C port to an external monitor or TV via an HDMI converter. The camera is where things get quite interesting. Since it uses similar camera sensors to the DJI Mini 3 Pro, the overall imaging performance is very familiar. However, since the Air 3 has two of those sensors behind different lenses, you can now play with depth of field effects, add spatial compression, or shoot tight zoomed-in shots of a subject without having to fly too close. Since both cameras use identical image sensors that are calibrated the same, the footage coming from either cameras matches up perfectly, making post-processing a breeze. Overall, the DJI Air 3 provides a robust set of features that will appeal to a wide range of users thanks to its superior imaging performance combined with its compact design and incredible ease of use. The last product of the list is Holystone HS360S. Elevate your photography and videography with the HS360S drone for adults by Holystone. This ultra-lightweight GPS drone weighs under 250 grams, allowing you to fly hassle-free without FAA registration. Capture stunning 4K UHD photos and videos with its advanced camera and Galaxy Core sensor. Benefit from an extended 10,000-foot control range and a powerful GPS system for safe and stable flights. The user-friendly design and intelligent control system make it perfect for beginners, while various smart functions like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight enhance your aerial experiences. Holystone is committed to continuous improvement, ensuring an ever-enhancing flying experience. Upgrade your perspective with the HS360S GPS drone for adults. The HS360S, a GPS camera drone, showcases Holystone's enhanced remote controller. You can effortlessly connect your smartphone to the controller using a single data cable, enabling real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. Elevate your social media game with captivating visuals from the Holystone HS360S GPS 4K drone with a camera. Thanks to the advanced intelligent control system by Holystone, the HS360S, a 4K camera drone for adults, offers a control range of up to 10,000 feet. The powerful modular battery supports up to 20 minutes of flight time, granting you the freedom to explore like never before with the Holystone drone for adults. The HS360S camera drone for adults simplifies aerial filming with intelligent recording modes like Spiral Up, Catapult, and One-Tap Ascension. Just tap once, and this 4K camera drone will handle the flying and filming for you. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and until next video, have a great time.